And it's another day at the motor house on the restoration of the Lotus 7. As this, I think, will be episode 33. And you can see the interior, what's left of it, let's say the tub. And I have been removing all of the glue, as I said in the last one. So you can see updated. Majority of all the glue is gone. Of course, up in the wheel wells, all the way in the very front of the wheel wells, there's still some glue up there. But there, I think it's going to be easier talking with the body shop. They want to take the top part off, which does come off. If you cut the areas in the back, which I've discussed previously in other videos, this whole top section will come off. And let's see if I can. It does. Maybe it's easier. Maybe. See, I do this with hands. It will come off. It's loose right now in the front. Also, I have been attempting to do some cleanup to the upper, I said the upper dash pad. It's not so much a pad, it's just a covering on the fiberglass. The biggest issue has been that there's a buildup of previous, whatever they used. I don't know how to describe it, but there's a buildup of what was there previously. In some places, blotchy, and just working it, trying to get a little bit, let's say, a little nourishment back into the surface and loosen up what's there. I'm going to try to save this and the dash and preserve an original part of the car. That's really what I like to do, is preserve this original part of the car. I've had some people look at me and say, well, just take it off, it's easier on the body work. It's like, then putting it back, is it going to be exactly, I don't think this will be savable if you try to take it off. So redoing it all from scratch. And I like the aspect of leaving some of the original parts of the car to it. So I have been working the pieces. So let's talk paint color. I do like this red. I do like it. And as previously discussed, we did find that the car had a different color red. You can see the two. And if I go up under this decal, it's the other color. So they painted around the decal. So when was it painted? I don't know. Was it done at the factory? Not sure. I know the car had to be repainted for the work that was done on the nose, with a rubber nose point, which I discussed before. So it was repainted. So they had to repaint the nose section, did they just go ahead and hit the rest of the car? But that's still a mystery. So this is my Sikkens Lotus paint. This is the paint chips for Lotus, for Sikkens paint, that I have in my stuff, and there's no matching red there. But if you go to the original, the older Lotus, you can, that's very close, and it's carnival red. So the original paint underneath, the first layer, the first paint, will say is carnival red. So it's not Calypso red. This right here is not Calypso. I've got that chip and it doesn't match at all. Regency? Could it be Regency red? Trying to figure out what color this is. I've had thoughts of putting it back to its carnival red. But that just doesn't look like the original. I mean, the factory photo I have, granted it's a lot more polished, but it's trying to decide which color to go back with, because I don't think it was repainted any other time. So this color or the carnival. This could be Regency. I'm trying to come up with a paint chip to see if it is Regency. Just a decision to make as to which red to use. It's going back red. Which of those two reds to use. So that's pretty much, I guess, an update. I did take the glue off back here too. Just getting the last bits that I can do before it goes in for body work, and just waiting to hear when that'll be. So, from the motor house, a little short video, just an update on the car, and we'll see what I get up to next. Have a good day, and enjoy your own projects that come your way.